average lacrosse set. Oh my god. Oh wait, jeez.
You guys gotta explain this to me like I'm a 6-year-old. Why is this considered so?
Me Gunner likes boom
Just
boom,
watch.
and then...
Just watch. And it's not that it's just me Gunner, it's that it's this me Gunner. It's so great.
Oh, you mean
We'll let him go to Smash now. It's over.
No, you don't. No, you don't understand.
He doesn't know, Chad.
You don't understand.
Who's gonna tell him?
Who's gonna tell him?
You don't understand. They're playing.
Oh, it's stealth first. Never mind. Okay. Fun can be had.
No, I can be had.
Fun should be.
I think we're thinking of best in all. No, it's like I want to just play a medium character. It's like, oh yeah, this character's so dog shit.
Yeah. Ganondorf.
Ganondorf. Yeah, no. Play some SWAT on that day. Really.
Yeah.
Alright, hear me out.
Don't say K-roll.
Hear me
Don't-
I
out.
like
say
Cable
hero.
back here.
We Fit Trainer.
We Fit. Hey, I know someone that plays We Fit Trainer. They bully me with freaking volleyball and whatnot.
Chat. I think you should play Duck Hunt.
I think you should get.
Yeah.
I think you should. Your punishment is playing sheep for the rest of the year.
Now we need to give you.
No, actually, your punishment is playing golf.
I got it. Timeout Pikachu.
Oh my god.
It's real, chat.
It is real.
What do you mean?
You play for the clock to run out. That's what you do. That's it.
It's like you can't even like do anything. You just wait.
No, you
just
can
kinda
attack.
wait. Yeah, you can attack. Yeah.
You attack, but you just can't.
But
do anything.
Pikachu can like up B from one ledge to below the stage to the other.
Oh,
So
that.
you can just like you can just wait forever.
Oh, I thought you meant like as your punishment.
Oh.
Who's also
Um,
a
No.
non-fun character?
Captain Falcon bitch. I
don't know.
think it's really fun.
Do you prefer like just like brawler types, not like sword characters?
I don't know, like I like sword characters.
I always recommend sword characters because they're pretty intuitive.
It's weird because it's like I like Rector Vibes, but it's like his whole
Yeah.
hair is kind of weird. Snake is
He's not like particularly easy in that.
Toonlink.
Toonlink's fun.
Toonlink.
Toon
fun. He's great.
Link's also a little easier than normal Link, I think. It's better for learning the game.
I mean, well, actually,
No, I know you mean, but like,
no, yeah.
you know.
I'm just thinking in terms of fancy.
Yeah, I want to play Steve, but I know he's banned in some like tournaments.
They're not banned here.
Most
But I
places
wanna
that
be.
They gave up on
ban,
banning
yeah,
him.
like that's all
They
past.
gave up.
There's a couple big events that ban him still for some reason.
That's patchwork, literally.
Yeah, literally, like, what's the point? Like,
Hold on a second. Hold on. LMBM did.
I
Yeah,
like
they treat
Roy is fun.
Roy is
I like
awesome.
fucking Marv.
Marth's cool too.
Like I said, Captain.
Yeah. Yeah, just
Played a little bit of
Honestly, Greninja.
Greninja's good.
He's alright.
I'm a fan.
Hero, I didn't play. Yeah.
Hero's cool.
I should have played Hero.
Yeah.
How many more steps do we have?
We are in. This is losing round 3. This is quarters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to 7.
Boy. I think. Yeah, as long as we don't have 5 million game 5s, we'll be out on time.
Don't worry. Jaded and
Game
Hardboy.
15 again.
Game 15.
Yeah, they played Game 5 in Winners Finals, and then Grands was a reset, so they played 2 sets in Grands, and both were Game 5, so it's Game 15. It's awesome.
You guys played the same characters the entire time?
No.
Now that would be fun.
Alright. Can I get Meat Lover 505 Cruzu in the side street?
It's a really funny way to misread that, because it's actually not Meat Lover.
Wait, what is it?
My tag got changed by someone here to this.
Men
Yeah.
lover well, he's
Yep.
a man and meat lover. How about that?
All right.
And so
Don't worry. Hey, we're don't worry.
don't worry. When the month is over, I'll change it to meat love.
That's awesome,
That's
man.
great.
I'm just gonna DM support and ask them to change it. Like,
They're not gonna do it.
DM support.
You're
Oh,
not-
because I can't change.
I can't change your remote.
Don't worry, they're not important enough for them to consider it.
Yeah, let's keep an eye on game count for this one.
Okay.
I want to learn how to do this.
And I guess Jonah.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, you're not doing it on the big screen? No, I need to learn how to do this.
Yeah, so.
It just seems pretty straightforward.
Oh. This, yeah, if that happens, then that means.
Hey, Logan, you have to be like,
Autos.
you have to be like certified to use this stuff.
No.
Guys. You can change people's.
Azure by Ron. Nah, let's do it. Make them both from like a really good tier.
Okay. Where do we think me Brawler would live?
Let's make some from some really.
Oh, yeah.
Turkey. We need to make one brand.
You can just scroll on here and just. You can just scroll.
I can't see. I also have glasses, but I can't see. Kazakhstan and there we go. Got the most obscure country like the big boy.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Luigi.
Never gets hit by me. That's so pretty. How would it feel with the range mate? I didn't hear a single word of what you said.
Me sword fighting?
My sword fighter's ass. I need to know though. My sword fighter. Fun fact, did you know that you can't absorb straight in the light? See, I didn't.
Yeah, it's a physical.
For some reason, because it's called lights. What do you get for?
Man, if only you could absorb electric wind god fist.
If only you could absorb a job.
I don't know. I'm assuming that the rest of the night's just like playing each other and then moving them.
People playing just some friendlies, and then just whoever is left.
Oh, there's friendlies over there?
Technically, you can use that monitor for friendlies if you want, and no one is gonna use it for bracket. Everything else is just gonna be on stream. Alrighty.
Yeah, second, FD, Bluffs, and also, I haven't even voted here for like 20 minutes. Yeah.
Stop the battle! Lucas! Be fortified! Three, two, one, go!
Jonah, I got an idea for you. I got an idea. Jigglypuff, you cannot. If you just keep rusting every time they go for a combo.
Hungry Box?
Base Mage.
Yeah, the one that No. No, but okay. Oh yeah, that's bad.
Lima? Is that you? What are you doing?
Bro, that's not you make that sound. Perfect spot leader, that was down. Swear to God. That was cheating. Don't go. That was straight down. It's not. It's fun.
Vanna.
Lucas,
I am a big gamer.
I think, you know, unbracket your we've all